Hi, this is Ting. My partner is Yuyang. Our project is doing mental health analysis and mental health disorder prediction in tech workspace. In recent years, there has been increasing acknowledgement of the important role the mental health plays in achieving goal of development goals. I think it's as important as the body health. So, and also for the tech companies are notorious for being fast-paced workspace that produce stress-induced workers. As CS students, we want to figure out the prevalent attitudes towards the mental health and the most relevant factors that cause the mental health disorder. Our goal is basically analyze the data and find the most relevant features for mental health and to do prediction for current mental health disorder and the people who are willing to seek for professional diagnosis when they have mental health disorder. The dataset we are using is from OSMI Mental Health, the tech survey in 2016. It totally have 1,434 people participate in this survey. I know this amount of data is more for machine learning, but for the data from 2014 to 2020, the survey questions are different every year, and the amount of questions are different every year. So it will be a very huge amount of work for us to clean all of that data and prepare the data for our project. So that might be the future work to have more training data. This is how our data looks like, the overall percentage of the mental health disorder for current mental health disorder. And also here are some features related to disorder, for example, the gender, the country, and also the family histories. It totally has 63 features, and after the data cleaning, and they still have 42 features remaining.
Hello everyone, this is Yuyang, and for the model selection, because this is a classification problem, we will use a different classification model that learned from this course to perform mental health disorder prediction. The current mental health detection has the three possibilities, which are 0 implies maybe, 1 implies no, and 2 implies yes. And below we have listed the 9 models for our implementation. We are using precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy to evaluate the result. And also, by the way, that's only the result for the current mental health disorder prediction. So for the willing seek professional diagnosis, we will put more details in the report. As we can see, the best result are the SVM, random forest, and XG both random forest. And we think the neural network may need to have some future work to do. And here is the gain and weight we used by the from the XG both random forest to evaluate the feature importance. The gain implies the relative contribution of the corresponding feature to the model calculated by taking each feature's contribution for each tree in the model. A higher value of this metric when compared to another feature implies it is more important for generating a prediction. Weight is the percentage representing the relative number of times a particular feature occurs in the tree of the model. As I mentioned before, the neural network should be a strong classification model, but the results are not good enough. We assume that's because first, our data set are too small, and the second, the design of the neural network are not good enough. For the future work, we will train the models with more data and then design a better neural network to predict the mental illness. That's all. Thank you.